As the spread of COVID-19 cases worldwide continue to climb, countries have taken measures to help prevent the spread of the virus by imposing strict controls on movement as well as the implementation of social distancing. Knowing the implications of such measures will have detrimental impact on businesses, the UAE passed a resolution to help stabilize employment relations for expats working in the private sector. So, what is the significance of the resolution and how does it affect expat employees in the workplace? In this episode of the MIO Explainer Series, we highlight the rules that govern employment relations in the UAE in the wake of COVID-19. We will also provide guidance on how you can protect your rights if your employment status becomes unstable. The resolution provides various approaches for employers when it comes to reducing overheads to ensure the continuity of their businesses. As part of the resolution, the following factors are what need to be considered by employers if they've been adversely affected by the precautionary measures. First off, companies must ensure they have implemented a remote working system. This means where employees are to continue working from home, an easily accessible and remote system must be in place to facilitate a seamless work environment. Now, if an employer should adopt an unpaid leave policy, the following conditions must apply. The employee should be allowed to use up all of their due paid leave, in other words, annual leave. The employee gives written consent to the unpaid leave request, and the employer must remain committed to pay all allowances minus the basic salary until the employee is terminated or permitted by the employer to work with another company. Alternatively, companies may perform a temporary reduction of salary subject to the employee's consent. For this to take place, the parties have to enter into a temporary additional addendum to the original employment contract. If after the implementation of all these steps, the employer still wishes to terminate the employee, they may only do so in accordance with the labor law. Employers will not be given a carte blanche to terminate employees for redundancy reasons without compensation, and any abrupt termination could also be interpreted as unfair or arbitrary. If you need any help establishing your rights under the labor law, feel free to get in touch with my law firm today.